The Dove 350 and the 400 has many possibilities. It's an air awning, it's 350 or 4 meters in width, the depth of it is 2.70 meters. But the possibilities of your living environment and what you need on your holiday is endless. It comes with an optional extra canopy if you wish. Gives you a depth of 2.20 meters, fiberglass poles and guy ropes, very simple to fit. And on the inside here, we have an annex. The annex is fitted on the left hand side and the right hand side, and you have the possibility to put your side panel back in as well to close the annex off totally. The features of the main awning, all the panels can come out. On the left hand side here you have a window, and on the right hand side you have a mosquito net. There is a door on this panel here, just here as you come in, and one on the right. If I wish, I can take this panel out, zip it over the other side, and the door will come over here. Comes standard with curtains, draft skirters, wheel arch with all our awnings. It's made of our isolite polyester material. The one big feature about this actual awning, it can go onto a caravan and a motorhome, and it is flexible in height. You have the starting point of 2.45 meters up to 2.75 meters. We have a piece of material here, which is a gusset. And the higher the vehicle, the more the gusset is actually released. There's a pad system here at the back, foam pad. This foam pad is actually on a Velcro. The Velcro is there because depending on the height of your vehicle, you put the pad in the best position. Once it's fitted on your vehicle, you don't have to touch it again. And it's simply sealed with suckers against the vehicle like so. And there's one down here as well. So you get a good seal, and you've got a belt and buckle up here, so pulling this up so it's always nice and tight up the roof. If you come on the outside, you can see better the adjustment of the height. I'm going to describe this as like a shoelace. So the higher the vehicle, the more the shoelace is actually opened. But once it's set up for your vehicle, on your height, belt and buckle, you pull it nice and tight so the side panel goes to the roof. You pull the shoelace all the way up, lock it into position, and then it's set up for your vehicle for the next time you use it. Inflation points. There's two inflation points, one on the left leg and one on the right leg. You only need one, but however it's nice to have two, so when you deflate the awning, you undo both of them, it releases the air a lot quicker and the air can come out.